Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a summing amplifier using the OP-Amp 741 IC. So let us draw it on Proteus. This Proteus is a simulation tool where we can design our virtual circuits and test them. So this is the front end of Proteus. To choose any component we can pick those components from here. This P is picked from library, so I'll choose 741, double click on it and it will be automatically chosen to the devices which we have chosen, or it will be selected. Then I'll choose one resistance. That's all. Now let us name this as OP-Amp. So this OP-Amp IC 741 is a 8-pin IC. Here pin number 8, which is not shown, is power supply, which is automatically given by the software. Pin number 2 is inverting input. Pin number 3 is non-inverting input. Pin number 6 is output. Pin number 7 and pin number 4 are supplies, and pin number 1 and pin number 5 are offset null. That you can see at my blog also. I have given the link below and I have explained about each pin there. Now here I'll concentrate more on summing amplifier. So let us take 3 inputs, input 1, input 2, and this is input 3. So its name is I1 and let the voltage be 1 volt. For the second input, let the name be I2 and the voltage be 2 volt. For third, I3 and 3 volts. Now I'll use a resistor here. And I'll join the output of these resistors and then give it to inverting input. I'll explain you why we are doing this, but let me first draw the circuit, and I'll ground the non-inverting input. For output I am taking a DC voltmeter. Here we can check what output we are getting. And I'll also have a feedback resistance to the inverting input. Okay, now as we have given here the inverting input and our non-inverting input is at ground, so while calculating the specifications or by calculating the current and voltages at various nodes, we will assume that we have a virtual ground here at this pin number 2, and the name virtual is given as though the potential at this pin is 0, but this is virtual, as a ground can take infinite current or a ground can send infinite number of electrons, but as this is virtual, it has a limit, it has a current limit. Okay, so I'll name these resistance also as R1, R2, R3. Okay, this is the feedback resistance, so R feedback, R ground. Now for the summing amplifier I am using 3K for all the inputs and feedback. In calculation I'll explain you why I have used this. And this resistance usually we take Rg is equal to R1 parallel to R2 and parallel to R3. So what will be the value of Rg? It will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equals to 1 by R. So Rg will be equal to 1K. This is normal value we take while using summing amplifier. So now let us check whether we are getting the desired output. So what is the desired output here? The desired output will be V1 plus V2 plus V3 in negative, as we are using a inverting input. So our output will be minus V1 minus V2 minus V3. Here I am getting minus 6 volts and our inputs were 1, 2 and 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 3, minus 3, minus 6 volt. This 0.01 is offset voltage, or you can say a small error by this op-amp, error or noise. Now let us see how it works. Let us assume that here we have given input V1, here V2 and here V3. So the current in this node will be V1 upon R1. Here it will be V1 upon V2 upon R2, and here it will be V3 upon R3. And now these three currents will be equal to, or these three currents will go through this feedback path to output. So we'll follow this path. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 will be equal to minus I feedback. Okay. So what will be the value of I1? It will be V1 by R1. So you can see that V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 is equals to minus V output upon RF. So if R1, R2 and R3 is equal to, are all equal and is equal to R feedback, so we will get V output is equals to minus V1 minus V2 and minus V3, and that is why this is known as summing amplifier, as it is summing all the inputs. Let us check it with a different input. Here I will change from 2 to 4. So now what will be the output? Output should be 1 volt plus 4 volt 5 volt, 5 plus 3 8. It should be minus 8 volt. Yeah, it is coming minus 8 volt. So this is the working of a summing amplifier using op-amp. For all the details, formulae, calculation, please visit my blog. I have given the link below. And for more such basic electronics videos, please subscribe my channel and be in touch. Thank you.